If another ATM guru tells you you'll make $4,000 a month from your first machine, I'm gonna lose my mind. Look, I've been in ATM business for over 25 years, and I'm sick of watching these YouTube people promise you the moon and just sell you an overpriced course and equipment. They are setting people up for failure, and these completely unrealistic expectations. Here's the truth that they won't tell you. Most ATM gurus have never actually built the real ATM business. They just sell a dream, but I've built the real business, and today I'm gonna bust these myths and these guys are spreading because you deserve to know what this business actually looks like. Not just some fantasy version designed to separate you from your money. If you want real numbers, actual changes, and the honest expectations, stick around. This might be the most important ATM video you'll ever watch. Look, I see a new ATM guru come up every 6 months. They got into the business, maybe even placed a few machines, and then decided to sell a course to show you how they started their business. Trouble is, they never actually made the money on the locations that they say they did. Then they say this revenue is the norm to the ATM business. These so-called gurus say they make between $3,000 and $4,000 per ATM per month. I have people come up to me after buying these programs and say, can you help me? Here's the difference between market hype and actual numbers. Watch any of my videos. You'll never see me getting into planes, jumping on a boat, or those Bugatti cars. It's all hype. The ATM business is a boring, grinded out business that produces revenue. No glitz, no glamour, just results. You can expect to make between $250 and $1,500 every single month, but you have to work at this business and you need the correct help. After seeing too many people get burned by these myths, I've identified 3 biggest lies that are destroying people's chances of real success in the ATM business. Number 1, realistic projections lead to sustainable success while inflating promises lead to quick failures. Number 2, money isn't made from owning ATMs. It's made by understanding business fundamentals that most ATM gurus skip. And number 3, legitimate mentors focus on long-term success while scammers focus on immediate profits for you. Principle number 1, realistic projections are $250 per month per ATM, while gurus focus on projecting $3,000 to $4,000. I tell you the truth, so you can plan properly. Choose better splits and better locations. Principle number 2, successful ATM ownership requires understanding location analysis, merchant relationships, banking compliance, and cash management skills that take time to develop and can't be glossed over with hype. ATMs gurus selling $5,000 courses that often provide templates but no real business education. And principle number 3, here's the difference between my approach, which is conservative estimates, ongoing support to focus on student success, versus typical ATM guru tactics, which are inflated, promises high pressure sales, and often disappear right after the sale. Everyone that chooses to go with our program will work directly with me and our team. I know why people fall for these myths. Everyone wants to believe it's easy and passive income. They deserve it, but shortcuts don't work in real business. You need real expectations as the foundation of actual success. When you know what to really expect, you can plan properly and build sustainability. Please choose between comfortable lies and uncomfortable truths. Uncomfortable truths lead to real wealth, while lies lead to disappointment. Subscribe for honest ATM content that focuses on real success rather than hype. Success in the ATM business isn't about making $4,000 a month per ATM. It's about building something real and last. And real always beats hype in the long run. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Please join the ATM Mastermind group, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video. Thank you guys very much.